In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a divider line in Notion. Adding a divider line in Notion is a simple way to make your pages look cleaner and easier to read. Dividers help separate sections, break up long blocks of text, and create a more organized layout overall. If you are building notes, a dashboard, or any kind of workspace in Notion, this is a small formatting tool that can make a big visual difference. The first way to insert a divider is by using a keyboard shortcut. Start by placing your cursor on an empty line exactly where you want the divider to appear. This part matters because the line needs to be inserted in its own block. Once your cursor is in the right spot, type 3 hyphens on your keyboard. Dash, dash, dash. As soon as you do that, Notion will automatically convert those hyphens into a clean horizontal divider line. This is usually the fastest method, especially if you like working quickly from the keyboard. Another easy method is to use the slash command. Again, begin by placing your cursor on an empty line. Then type /div. As you type, Notion will start showing matching block options. When you see the divider option, press enter. And the divider will be inserted right away. This approach is helpful if you already use slash commands in Notion and want a consistent way to add different kinds of blocks without reaching for your mouse. The third method is through the block menu. Move your mouse to the left side of an empty block, and you'll see a plus icon appear. Click that icon to open the block menu from there. Scroll down until you find the basic blocks section. In that section, click divider. Notion will immediately place a horizontal line into your page. This method is especially useful if you prefer a more visual way of working, or if you are still getting familiar with Notion's interface. All three methods do the same thing, so the best one really depends on how you like to work. If you want speed, use the 3 hyphens. If you prefer commands, use /div, and if you like clicking through the menu, the block menu option works just as well. Once you start using divider lines, you'll notice that your Notion pages feel more structured and polished. It's a very small feature, but it can make your content much easier to scan and navigate.